Gather Hill Helko Werk Germany axe log splitter this time. Even though it says axe, I think they only have the same kind of boxes. But this is a log splitter. It comes with the oil and stuff. They make a lot of different axes right here. Okay, let's unbox it. Comes with one of these leather protectors so you don't cut yourself. There you go, pretty unique log splitter. For the most part, just very thick. We'll see if it does really good on a really big logs. Doesn't tell me how heavy it is, but also has this unique curved handle. Check this out. Usually you get a straight handle. So we'll see if it's going to work really good. So let's try it out. Whoa. Ooh. First one just flew away. Second one got stuck. Ooh. Okay. Kind of rotten. Okay. Getting it. So far, first impressions, I don't know. It's kind of nice, but gets stuck pretty good anyway. But it is big round. Nice. Oh, it's actually very nice. Look at that. And we split it. You see how it beat through? One more hit will split all the way. Nice hit. Not even swinging, it's super heavy. Missed it. Nice, pretty deep. Got split it all the way. Nice. There you go. See. It kind of stays together heavily. Wow, look at that. This one's not done yet. Whew. I know, this is nice. Let me know in comments below, is splitting axe better? Maybe. This is big round though, I'm not even used to splitting big pieces like that. Ow, just hit the wooden part over here. Need to put some protector. Should have hit it right here, not over there. My mistake. Wow. This is a rotten out piece, but in the middle, very solid. I don't know. I feel like usually when you split this thing in half, it should be a lot easier. I kind of prefer splitting axes than splitting Maulls. But nevertheless, let me know in comments below what do you think about this thing. It's pretty cool. Nice. Tough little log, that's for sure. Wow. It's like hitting a stone. Like that. You see how hard it is over here? Those are rotten pieces. Let me try to flip it over now. It's crazy. Camera keep getting hit. Yeah, definitely done better before. It's crazy. I know. yeah, just flying away. So whatever, you be the judge. It's nice, but I can't handle this thing. But with smaller pieces like that, probably wouldn't have a problem. Oh no, wow, never mind. Didn't hit it hard enough. Okay, there you go. I missed my tire. I like splitting firewood with the tire. But yeah, smaller pieces, no problem.